We launched our program in 2008 at the height of the financial crisis. Why? Because we recognize that global financial markets are changing rapidly and becoming more complex, and the world of finance needs highly trained finance professionals. With our rigorous STEM curriculum engineered around the most advanced quantitative and financial theories and practices, you'll get 3 things from our MFin program that you can't get anywhere else. First, our world-renowned finance faculty. Imagine engaging in conversation with Nobel laureate Bob Merton about the derivative pricing model that he created. Or Stu Myers. He literally wrote the book on corporate finance, the textbook that is used by universities all over the world. Our faculty pass along priceless experiences to students like you for dynamic hands-on learning. Second, our vast global network. MIT is located in the capital of buy-side finance. Additionally, we have 120,000 MIT alum working in every major industry around the world, ready to support you in your career goals. We're known worldwide for our partnerships with global financial institutions eager to meet MIT's best finance talent. And third, we are MIT. This is where modern finance was invented. We are a collaborative environment where the brightest minds come together to tackle the world's most challenging problems and prepare for the most rewarding careers. If you consider yourself a relentlessly intelligent individual destined for a career in finance, we want to meet you.